If you want to manage your notifications on Stripe, you can easily turn them off by following these steps. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Visit the Stripe website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account for which you want to disable notifications. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the settings icon, usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Notifications. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. This is where you can manage all notification preferences related to your account. Step 4. Adjust notification preferences. In the Notifications section, you will see various types of notifications listed. Review each type and toggle off the notifications you no longer wish to receive. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your preferences, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the page and click it to ensure your settings are updated. By following these steps, you can effectively turn off notifications on Stripe and customize your account experience.